Hi my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the multiple choice question from the lesson life process. In the previous video, I had already posted 20 multiple choice question from the life process lesson, and most of the students has requested in the comment section not to reveal the answer before completely reading the question. So based on your request, in this video series, I'm going to read the question first so that you can pause and find the answer. Thereby, I will also reveal the answer. You can cross check the answer with your answer. Before starting today's series, I request all the students to watch these multiple choice question series and also don't forget to share with your friends. So without delaying much, let us start today's session. The first question is, oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to rest of the body via, and the options are aorta, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary vein and vena cava. And the correct answer is aorta. Question number 22. Transpiration and dash help in transport of water in plants. Options are translocation, photosynthesis, root pressure and shoot pressure. And the correct answer is root pressure. Blood pressure is measured by an instrument known as. Options are ECG, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer and EEG. The correct answer is sphygmomanometer. Next question. Which of the following substances is obtained by the plants from soil? Options are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and none of these. And the correct answer is nitrogen. Next question. Which of the following helps in maximum transport of oxygen? Options are red blood corpuscles, platelets, plasma, white blood corpuscles. And the correct answer is red blood corpuscles. Next question. Urea is produced from ammonia in the body of a man in which organ you have to tell. Options are liver, kidney, spleen, intestine. And the correct answer is liver. Next question. Pure blood is taken to various parts of the body by. Options are veins, vena cava, right ventricle and aorta. And the correct option is aorta. Next question. The chamber which anaerobic blood is pumped from heart into lungs. Options are left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle. And the correct answer is right ventricle. Next question is, the unit helps in clotting of blood. Options: platelets, white blood cells, red blood cells, plasma. And the correct option is platelets. The next question, the excretory unit in the human excretory system is called. Options are nephron, neuron, ureter, bladder. And the correct option is nephron. Next question. What prevents the backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction? Options are thick muscular walls of ventricles, valves, thin walls of atria, and all the above. And the correct answer is valves in the heart. The next question is, which vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart? Options are renal vein, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, and aorta. And the correct option is pulmonary vein. And the correct answer is pulmonary veins. The next question is, which of the following is the correct path taken by urine in our body? Options are kidney, ureter, urethra, bladder, kidney, bladder, urethra, ureter, kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra, bladder, kidney, ureter, urethra. And the correct answer is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. The next question is the component of blood which makes chemicals known as antibodies is. And the options are platelets, white blood cells, red blood cells, plasma. And the correct answer is white blood cells. The next question, in autotrophs, water is transported through. And the options are root, phloem, stomata, xylem. The correct answer is xylem. Next question, what are the methods that plants use to excrete of waste materials? And the options are waste materials in plants accumulate in mature leaves and fall off. Waste materials such as glue and resin accumulate in the aged xylem and they stop to function. Many plant wastes are stored in their vacuoles. And option D is all the above. The correct answer is all the above. The next question, the movement of food in phloem is called. Options: transpiration, translocation, respiration, evaporation. And the correct answer is translocation. Okay, these are some of the questions from the lesson Life Process. In the next session, I'll come up with another lesson multiple choice question series. Thank you so much for watching my videos and don't forget to share with your friends.